everyone, this is Jenna. Hope your day's going well. It's been a long day at work after another long day at work, but something very exciting arrived. This is Pardo jewelry clay that I ordered from Polystudio. It's in France. If you're interested in looking into it, it's polystudio.shop. There's no www. But yeah, I found a really great selection from there, and I got just about 40 packs of clay. The price in US dollars came out to be about $2.50 per pack. I did select some faster shipping with tracking and everything, so that was about $50. So when I split up the shipping cost, basically it came out to be about $3.87 per pack, so I hope I like it. I ordered this on, well, New Year's Eve. It shipped on January 5th, and it would have arrived yesterday, January 11th, but I wasn't home to sign for it, so I picked it up at the post office today. I have a feeling this just pull here is good. That worked. Perhaps this was upside down. I'm sorry for the background noise. My dog decided to join me, but chew on the loudest thing ever, those yak sticks. Yeah, I think this is upside down. But this works. So if you're not familiar with Pardo, I believe it's actually a German company. It is made with natural beeswax, which changes how it feels, handles, and deals with things. A lot of people are not used to how it is required to condition, but it can be really nice, I have heard. So this is 417 Tourmaline Rose. I'm not sure if that's how you say it. That opens really nice. Oh my gosh, this looks like bubble gum. You can see them. I don't know if you can see the mica powders, but really nice sheen. I can dent it, which I wasn't expecting to be able to do. It's supposed to be baked at around 248 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes per 1/4 inch. I'll put this back for now and I'll keep going. These snap really nicely, so I can see how you don't want to get rid of these, and they're hangable if you want. So that is Tourmaline Rose. This is 650 Turquoise. This one I can dent too. And an interesting shimmer, even though I know like the mica powders aren't aligned or anything right now, but Tiger's Eye. This one I was intrigued by. I have coppers, I have bronzes, and other lines of things, but the baked look was intriguing. This one you can really only see like a patterns on this side, but there should be 4 of those in here somewhere. Number 402, Garnet. This looks really brown compared to what I saw before. Looks almost just like burnt umber, but yeah, there's definitely mica in there. Anglesite, I'm not sure. I'm terrible with gemstones other than my birthstone. No idea how to pronounce anything, I think. Number 605. This one, just the baked look that I've seen in pictures is just such a luster. Oh my goodness, I'm excited. This just looks super pretty right off the bat. I can dent all of these pretty nicely. I think I'd have a lot more trouble if they were sitting outside on my porch still, where it's been in the 20s. Sapphire, number 602. This reminds me right now of a periwinkle or the flowers. Well, people call them weeds, but I think they're one of the prettiest flowers ever. Indian paintbrush that we have by the side of the road. This has a really nice shift luster. Wow, in the camera it looks more greeny aqua, but this is like a cornflower blue in person. Andean Opal, number 411, was one that wasn't on my initial must-get list, but then I saw more and more pictures of it, and I was like, oh, I can find a use for that. This looks like a gold coppery color. That's another one. Green Calcite, number 708. This looks like a shimmery baby blue in real life, but it will be more green. Blue Zircon, number 603. They have a lot of blues in this line. There's a really nice selection. None of them are too similar. This is pretty. This reminds me of like a combination of well, like a blue turquoise and that Sculpey 3 Tranquility color that I bought even though it's Sculpey 3. Okay, I think there's more of those in there. So this is not technically the jewelry line, but this is the Pardo translucent clay. It obviously looks white. I just started using, I got some Garnet translucent, and I got really fresh packs. They are super soft. It does bake incredibly clear. I'm really pleased with it. Just the softness kind of led to the cane I was using, distorting a bunch, but we'll see how this stuff compares. It's apparently the holy grail of translucent, transparent clay. More sapphire. Some of these don't have the numbers on the front. Okay, this is lemon calcite. It looks like an opaque yellow right now. That's a really nice yellow. That's like a pleasant yellow. It's like a slightly lighter version of like yellow flower petals. That looks really light. My lighting is a bit... just lighting here. It's a really, really pleasant yellow without being pastel. Like, it's a true yellow, but it's not buttery pastel. Looks very light in the camera. Bear with me as I get repeats out of the way. It's more translucent. I have 2 more orders of Pardo clay coming. One from the Netherlands and one from Germany. The one from Germany I think is just some more of the translucent. The one from the Netherlands is some more colors from my want list that I couldn't get here. My plan was to get 4 packs of the colors on my list. Okay, alright. That looks like it, other than some free stuff. Peridot 705. Only had one of these available. It's a shame that is my birthstone. This reminds me of Jungle Green. Oh my gosh. But it is a nice, like, organic, leafy green in the unbaked state. It really gets almost like that beautiful limey color when it's baked. Amethyst 505. This is a really nice lilac-y purple. Orange calcite. I only got one of these. Just don't use a lot of orange, but wow, this looks like a really nice but less hurtful on the eyes standard orange, like Sculpey orange. It's a very nice real orange, but it's not like neon. And it looks like it bakes a little bit slightly darker with almost a gold tint. And Alabaster. I'm embarrassed to say I thought Alabaster was white. I don't know if that's a Briar horse thing where some white and gray horses were referred to as alabaster. I don't, even reading about it and seeing that in books, I always just thought it was white, but this is like a fleshy, peachy color. Again, sorry, my light is really whiting it out. And that was Alabaster number 302. So that's, well, I got, looks like some free stuff. So a little flower petal, silkscreen stencil. Oh wow. An art, X-Acto knife blade. It's pretty nice. Go through those a lot. Oh, some cute like 2B pencils with like a winter motif. And this little reindeer, a white marker? I'm not sure. I will have to try this. Oh, I thought his nose could be a button or something. Yeah, they sent some freebies. That was really nice of them. So that's my haul here. And this is, most of this is Pardo jewelry clay. The only one that doesn't fall in the jewelry clay line is the transparent, which are these. And I will be making another video once I condition it and try it out, and obviously the baking of things will happen a lot later. But I'm really pleased with the speed of everything. It looks like my order from the Netherlands should be here hopefully this week. So yeah, I'd like to thank Polystudio. This was exciting that I could find this stuff, and it was doable getting it over here. They sent me some nice free gifts there too. And I mean, with shipping included, the price per pack is obviously way cheaper than what we can sometimes get this stuff on Amazon with the 2 colors that seem to be available. And it's comparable to like full price Primo or Fimo, which usually people use discounts and coupons and whatever at hobby stores, but I'm really excited for these. Feel a little bit overwhelmed of what I'm going to make, because obviously these are special colors, special metallic mica jewelry effects, so I want to show them off to their fullest. But thanks for watching, and I'll post the links of Polystudio below and the other places where I've ordered but haven't yet received some Pardo clay. So thank you for joining me. Have a good night.